I bought and tested these Kitchenaid mixers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After mixing, kneading, and experimenting with different bread recipes, I'm here to share my honest insights on the best options out there. Let's dive into my top 5 picks.
Product number 1, Stand Mixer 3.2 QT. I recently got my hands on the stand mixer from Kitchen in the Box, and let me tell you, it was an experience. This compact mixer is not only lightweight at just under 7 pounds, but also designed for those of us with smaller kitchens. With dimensions of 12.9 by 7 by 10.2 inches, it fits snugly on my countertop without taking up too much space. I was pleasantly surprised to see that it comes in multiple colors, which made it easy to match with my kitchen aesthetic. As I started using it, the 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl quickly became a favorite feature. It's perfect for small batches, which is often all I need as a couple. The tilt head design is a game changer. It allows for easy access to the bowl and attachments, making the whole baking process a breeze. I also appreciated the anti-splash lid, which helped keep my kitchen clean while mixing dough. When it comes to performance, this mixer offers 6 different speeds, which is quite versatile for various recipes. I was able to mix everything from thick bread dough to delicate meringues with ease. The 4 anti-slip suckers on the base ensured that the mixer stayed put even when I was working with heavier mixtures. The attachments included are top-notch as well. The aluminum dough hook and flat beater felt sturdy and durable, and the stainless steel whisk whipped cream in no time. One of the best parts? All the accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a lot less daunting. On the downside, while it does a great job for light to medium tasks, I found that it struggled a bit with larger bread recipes, so keep that in mind if you're planning on baking in bulk.
Product number 2, C-shaped K45DH coated dough hook. Next up is the C-shaped K45DH coated dough hook by Meat Juice. Now, if you're a proud owner of a Kitchenaid tilt head stand mixer, this attachment is a must-have. I tested it out with my existing mixer and wow, what a difference it made in my dough kneading game. The first thing that struck me was the quality of the material. Made from aluminum with a nylon coating, it's not just lightweight but also resistant to oxidation, which is a huge plus for durability. I've had my fair share of flimsy attachments that rust or wear out quickly, but this one feels built to last. Compatibility is another selling point. This dough hook fits a variety of Kitchenaid models, including K45, KSM150, and more. If you're unsure, just check the bottom of your mixer for the model number and you should be good to go. Using the C-shaped design was a revelation. It made mixing and kneading yeast dough a breeze. I noticed that it thoroughly combined the ingredients without any hassle, and the dough came together beautifully. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means I don't have to dread to clean up after making a big batch of bread. The only potential downside is that it's specifically designed for kneading yeast dough, so if you're looking for an all-purpose attachment, you might need something else in addition. In conclusion, if you're serious about your bread making and already own a Kitchenaid mixer, this dough hook is a fantastic investment. It's affordable, effective, and makes a noticeable difference in how well your dough comes together. Product number 3, stainless steel spiral dough hook. Now let's talk about the stainless steel spiral dough hook replacement. As a home baker, I really appreciate tools that streamline the process, and this dough hook does just that. It's designed for Kitchenaid 4.7 QT and 5 QT bowl tilt head stand mixers, and it's compatible with almost all models. The quality of this hook is impressive. Made from premium stainless steel, it's rust-proof and feels incredibly sturdy. I've had other hooks that started peeling or rusting after a few uses, but not this one. Plus, it's easy to clean, which is always a bonus. Just toss it in the dishwasher and you're done. What I loved most about this spiral dough hook is the efficient kneading it provides. I found that it significantly reduced the time it took to knead my bread dough. It works wonders for pizza, pasta, and even cookie dough. The spiral design really helps in mixing and kneading, ensuring a consistent texture throughout. However, I did notice that the hook can struggle a bit with very stiff doughs. If you're making something particularly dense, you might have to give it a little extra help. But for the most part, it performed exceptionally well across different recipes. If you're serious about your baking and want a reliable, high-quality dough hook, this is a great choice. Its durability and efficiency make it a worthy addition to any Kitchenaid mixer setup.
Product number 4, Stand Mixer 3.2 QT Blue. Coming in at number 4 is another stand mixer from Kitchen in the Box, but this one comes in a beautiful blue color. Just like the black model, it's compact and lightweight, making it a perfect option for kitchens with limited counter space. This mixer shares the same impressive features as its black counterpart, a 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl, 6-speed settings, and a tilt head design. The blue color adds a splash of personality to my kitchen, and I love how it can blend seamlessly into my decor. Using it was just as straightforward as the other model. The anti-splash lid kept my ingredients in check, and I was able to mix everything from cookie dough to bread without any fuss. The suction cups on the bottom ensured that it stayed in place, which is essential when you're working with thicker mixtures. One thing I particularly enjoyed was the upgraded multi-attachments that come with this mixer. The aluminum dough hook and flat beater felt robust and did their jobs wonderfully, allowing me to tackle a variety of baking tasks. Just like its sibling, cleanup was a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe accessories. On the downside, if you're looking to bake larger quantities, you might find the bowl size a bit limiting. However, for smaller households or beginners, it's a fantastic tool. In summary, this blue stand mixer is not only stylish, but also effective. If you want a reliable, compact mixer that adds a pop of color to your kitchen, this could be the one for you.
Product number 5, Stand Mixer, 12-speed, 5.5 quart. We have the Cuisinart Stand Mixer, which is a step up in terms of size and features. With a 5.5 quart capacity and a powerful 500-watt motor, this mixer is built for those who love to bake in larger quantities. The die-cast metal construction gives it a premium feel, and the 12-speed settings provide precise control. I found this to be particularly beneficial when I was making bread. The ability to adjust the speed allowed me to mix ingredients without overworking the dough. This model also comes with a polished stainless steel bowl that not only looks good, but is also easy to clean. The tilt-back head feature is a nice touch, making it easy to access the bowl and swap out attachments with minimal fuss. Speaking of attachments, the mixer includes a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle, giving you all the essentials right out of the box. One standout feature is the splash guard with a pour spout. No more flour clouds or messy counters when adding ingredients. However, the mixer is a bit bulkier than the other options on this list, so you'll need to ensure you have enough counter space. In addition, Cuisinart offers optional attachments like a pasta extruder and meat grinder, which adds versatility for those who want to expand their culinary capabilities. In conclusion, if you're a serious baker who often prepares larger quantities, this Cuisinart mixer is worth the investment. Its power, capacity, and versatility make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their baking game.
In conclusion, whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, there's a KitchenAid mixer out there that can meet your needs. From compact options to powerful stand mixers, each of these choices has its strengths. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect mixer to elevate your bread making experience.